Hi Shannon, how you doing? I hope you and Nick are having a good time on your little road trip. Just going through your check-ins. So as you can see, we're doing it slightly differently. So on your overview page, you've got the link down in the corner. So every single week or every Friday, this will be done. So all I need you to do is just log on, come down here, you'll see the update. I will try and find a way of just like doing a mass notification to everybody, but for now, it's just check the day on a Friday. All right. And just watch the YouTube video. So going through your training. So I'm not sure when you did this, but well done writing those notes and stuff down. Really, really good. So you just need to make sure on this one, like you are 100% pushing yourself. Kettlebell front squat. Change this to what we've done in training to make it harder. Remember it's called everything quad burner. So kettlebell front squat. Just hold on to two kettlebells, have them resting here and here. So it's on your hands, and then coming down into a front squat position. That's fine, that's fine. So just making sure you are doing this, trying to do it once a week if you can get in to do it. And in your actual training, okay, we're going to run this again. I know we pretty much hit week 4 on this one already, but we haven't really been able to get in to do them. Yeah, so we're just going to stick with it, hammering out, keep those sets and reps coming up. With down here, your barbell squat. That's absolutely fine. Just make a note, like you say. Try and get in what you can when you're there. Super machine. Perfect. That's not much of an issue. It's still good. Right, pushing yourself. So, like we had a chat the other day in training, like you and Nick had a chat as well. You can do it. Like you're strong enough to do it. You just got to make sure you do push yourself. So think about basically the reason that you're PTing with me. Think about the reason you train. So you want to increase your fitness. You want to reduce body fat. You want to get strong. Like Christ, look at your squat. Look at your bench. First time you ever bench the other day, smashing way out. Your squat is flying up. Deadlifts are all increasing. Accessory exercises to go with it, especially barbell hip thrusts, will help massively with that. Also, great glute builder. This is going to help build your butt. And calorie burners as well. Like they all go hand in hand. So you do need to push yourself like, as much as you do with me on your own. I know it's harder to do because a lot of people, myself included, do train harder with someone else. If that's the case, then try and link up as many times as you can with Jade, with Meg, and that lot to get in. If not, chuck some headphones on and just think like, was that a hard set? Could I have done more? If it's a yes, do more. Do an extra set. Make a note. Push yourself. Hold yourself accountable. But you can do this. You just need to do it. That's literally all there is to it. Unintentional rhyme there. We'll go with that. With nutrition, record it. With weights, record it. I need to be able to see. Yeah. Even if it is just once a week, just pop it in. It's fine. Nutrition, like you say, you said you were going to wait and then do it all at once. I waited. Nothing's there. So just make sure this is filled in and stuff. And can I also, I know you're away, but can I also please get some check-in photos? That's all still done through Facebook Messenger or through WhatsApp. Okay. So enjoy your weekends, and I will see you Monday night. All right. Take care.